Hey guys, Steve from Backridge Tough. I'm out walking today and I came across this tree that blew over. Look at that. It landed right on top of another tree that had broken off and then goes across our trail. So I need to get rid of this. Technically, probably should wait and get my chainsaw, but I'm gonna give her a try with the old Backridge Tough 8-inch folding saw, and we'll see how it goes. All right guys, here we go. My best guess is this is about a 7-inch tree, which is quite a task to ask for an 8-inch saw. But we're gonna give it a shot. See how we do. All right, here we go. Yeah, now we can clean this up and get it out of the trail. All right, here's the other end. Whew. There we go. I'll get this sucker out of the trail. There we go. Now our trail's all open again. You guys have a great day.